In our next step, we are going to switch our exponents according to one rule of indices. So if you have a to the power of m, all this to the power of n, we can as well write it as a to the power of n, all this to the power of m. So this becomes 4 to the power of x, all this squared, minus 4 to the power of x is equals to 56. So by doing so, 4 to the power of x is common. So we shall say let 4 to the power of x is equals to y. So we shall substitute 4 to the power of x with y in our equation. Then this becomes y squared minus y is equals to 56. So let us bring 56 to our left hand side. So y squared minus y minus 56 is equals to 0. So we formed a nice quadratic equation and we can solve it using factorization, whereby our sum is the coefficient of y, which is negative 1, and our product, the coefficient of y squared, which is 1 times our constant, negative 56. So this becomes negative 56. We shall look for two numbers. Their product should give us negative 56 and their sum should give us negative 1. So these two numbers are negative 8 and 7. So we shall substitute these two numbers in our quadratic equation. Therefore, this becomes y squared minus 8y plus 7y minus this constant 56 is equals to 0. Okay, so we shall consider this as our first term and this as our second term. So we shall factor out our common factor here, which is y. So y into y squared divided by y, this is y, minus this divided by this gives us 8. Our common factor here is 7. So this divided by this gives us y, minus this divided by this gives us 8 is equals to 0. So y minus 8 is common. Y minus 8 into bracket y plus 7 is equals to 0. So their product is equals to 0. So y minus 8 is equals to 0. Y plus 7 is equals to 0. So y is equals to 8 and y is equals to negative 7. So let us now get the value of x. Remember earlier on we had said let 4 to the power of x is equals to y. So 4 to the power of x is equals to negative 7, or 4 to the power of x is equals to 8. So 4 to the power of x, this will always give us positive, and this gives us negative. So positive cannot be equal to negative. So this is a false statement we shall reject. So we are left with 4 to the power of x is equals to 8. 4 we can write it to the base of 2. So 2 squared, all this to the power of x is equals to 8. We can write it to the base of 2. So this becomes 2 cubed. Okay, so 2 to the power of 2x is equals to 2 to the power of 3. Our bases are the same. We can equate our exponent. Therefore, 2x is equals to 3. We can now get the value of x. Divide here by 2, divide here by 2. So this and this will cancel. X is equals to 3 over 2. And this is our final answer. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Don't forget to share with your learning colleagues. Bye bye. See you in my next video.